originally I was going to do an unboxing, but halfway through the video it messed up, or the video messed up. So I'll show you the unboxing speeded up, just so you can see what's in the box and what you get for your money, and then we'll move on, okay? Right then, so this is the Apex 3 from SteelSeries, and it costs, I think it's around about £65. So it's not cheap, but they do say you get what you pay for. And the reason I bought this is because, yes, I bought it, by the way. Did not get it sent to me, I did not ask for it, I just bought it because I wanted it. Done some reviews first, you know, read loads of different reviews, looked at loads of different keyboards, and went for this one. Now, I've been using this wireless one, which still works, by the way. No issues with that whatsoever. It's very quiet, but doesn't have RGB, which I like, but it does everything I like about it, or does everything I want it to do, especially the fact it's very quiet on the keys. This, again, is very quiet. Let me show you my old gaming one, which is still here. This little baby here, or big baby actually. Look at the size of that baby. It's RGB, it has two USB connections, and the reason for that is, where is it, somewhere around here, there's the other one, and also has jack connections for your audio, microphone and everything, and it works, does everything I want it to do. It uses too much power as well, that's why it needs two USBs, because it has a built-in USB as well, which I don't need. I've got loads on my monitors. I have two monitors and they have 4 USBs each. Yes, 4, so I don't need more. And this is cleaner, tidier, and looks really pretty. Yeah, very impressed with it so far, although I haven't tested it properly yet. Let's see, SteelSeries. I do like the magnet on this. It's very strong indeed. One of the strongest magnets I've seen so far. Look. It's only them two on there, that's it, but grabs it nicely and pulls it. Nice bit of RGB, which I like. It's got a scroll wheel there for the volume adjustment if you want to adjust volume, and that is something to do with something, because I don't know, because I haven't read that bit. Let me quickly read it, it does tell you it somewhere. It is number 2, multimedia buttons. I'm not going to press it, because it might stop my recordings. So we have multimedia volume, multimedia button. We have SteelSeries function key number 3, which is down here. That one. Not sure what it does. USB keyboard plug, obvious. Oh, by the way, 1.8 meters long, approximately. Okay, so that works fine. On the fly macro recording, which I probably won't use. Illumination brightness down key and illumination brightness up key, which is 7 and 8, which I will use. Yeah. So that's the F10 keys up there. Okay. Something to bear in mind. Oh, and it's got little pictures. Yeah. So far, looks really nice, and looking forward to playing about with it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to have a read the instructions. Make sure I've got a good understanding of exactly what it all does, all the basics anyway, and I'm going to have a little play about with it. I'm going to turn the lights off as well, in case we can change the colour of the lighting and stuff like that, which you should be able to do, and yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up so far. So I'll be back in a second. Right, I've had it for a few weeks now since that last part of the video. I wanted to make sure I was quite happy with it, and I'm going to go through the pros and cons of what I like and what I don't like in a second. So while you're watching with the lights turned off at the RGB, let's go through some of the things I don't like about it. Well, actually, there's only one, and it's this. It's the actual wrist rest, yeah? I don't like it. It's not because it's not ergonomically designed. It's fine. It just marks. There's loads of little marks on it. It looks horrible. They've used the wrong material, in my opinion. I mean, it's brilliant. It looks nice. It connects up, and it's got quite strong magnets on it to pull it backwards and forwards if you wanted to. But I'd rather not have it because them horrible little marks. Don't know if you can see that on the camera. Yeah, it's horrible. Sweat marks, and it's terrible to clean. Like I said, it's the wrong material in my opinion. So I'm not going to be using that. But apart from that, I like the RGB. So this will pause the video. If you're watching a video, you can just pause it by pressing that or anything like that. And the wheel will adjust the volume levels on your PC, and then you have a pushing button. I haven't actually used that yet. I think it would probably do something like pause my video, so I didn't want to do that either. Adjusting the RGB is very easy. You hold that down if you want to turn the brightness right off. You just press that and it will go right down until it goes right off, and then you can turn it back on again. Very easy to do. The same as if you want to change it to a different pattern. I'm quite happy with the patterns that are already on here. They do everything I want it to do. Yeah. And I've gone for the static one, but it isn't static. It isn't static. It's actually a breathing one. It does actually change colour, but slowly. I'm quite happy with that one. It's quite nice. The lighting is very good, in my opinion. I love the lighting. Nice and clear, easy to see, and yeah, love it. Like I said, the only thing I don't like is the actual wrist thing. It just marks and looks horrible. Why they couldn't do it with the same material as this bit here, I don't know. I should have done. So it gets my thumbs up. I'm very happy with it, and yeah, got no issues with it whatsoever. But, well, apart from that, of course. Yeah, apart from that, I've got no issues. Yeah, does everything I want it to do. It looks good, and yeah, I'm keeping it. So with that, let me know in the comments what you think, whether you think I'm right, especially on the wrist thing, whether you think I'm right, or actually, if you've got an idea of how I could recover it. Like, I don't know, maybe some tape or something, or paint, I don't know, to get rid of that horrible marking. I mean, I want to use it, I just don't like it because it just marks. So with that, if you like this video, you know what to do, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.